Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said India is riding the reform express and emerging as a key driver of global growth as he addressed the ET Now Global Business Summit 2026 in New Delhi. Speaking on the theme, A Decade of Disruption, a Century of Change, the Prime Minister said that despite global shocks over the past decade, including the pandemic, geopolitical tensions, and supply chain disruption, India has recorded unprecedented development, strong policy delivery, and a strengthening of democratic institutions. Recalling that India was the 11th largest economy a decade ago, PM Modi said the country is now rapidly moving towards becoming the world's third largest economy, highlighting the governmental fiscal approach. PM Modi said budgets are now outcome-centric rather than merely focused on allocations, emphasizing inclusive growth. The Prime Minister said the government has prioritized sections previously left behind, including Divyang sections and the transgender community. Concluding his address, the Prime Minister said the world must prepare to live with ongoing disruptions, particularly those driven by artificial intelligence. Your report, News Now.